So here is the Jasper AI beginner's tutorial. Jasper AI is an AI platform specifically designed to help marketers create high-quality written content quickly by generating text based on user inputs like topic descriptions, desired tone of voice, and specific marketing goals. So once we're here on the website, let's go ahead and check out their pricing. They have Creator, Pro, and Business. You can also check out all of the features each of these plans offer. So now, let's go back to the main page. On the top right corner, you have Login, Free Trial, and Get a Demo. Note that to get a trial, you will need to choose a plan and add your card. So as you can see, we're now logged into our account, and this is the Jasper AI dashboard. On the left panel, you can see all of these options that you can utilize. Then you can see the duration of your trial. And at the bottom, you have your profile. And here on the main page, you have this section where you can type in your prompt. And below, you have all of these options like create a document, start a conversation, and discover apps. You can also attach files with your prompt. And below, you have featured categories like content marketing, product marketing, social media marketing, performance marketing, lifecycle marketing, and you can go to the right to get to see more options. And below, you have featured apps as well. So this is where you can see all the apps that you can attach to your Jasper AI. Keep in mind that you need to upgrade your plan in order to use some of these. And below here, you have the popular apps. So let's go over to the left panel and click on Create Content. After that, you'll be redirected to another page. Give it some time to load it up. So once you're here, you will need to choose from all of these options. You can see the featured categories, featured apps, etc. And on the left, you have all of these options you can choose from as well. So go through them and choose whichever one that you're looking for. You can also choose the apps from popular apps below. So just go through them and check them out and see which one fits your needs. You can see they offer a lot of apps and integrations to choose from. As an example for this video, I will go ahead and click on Use on Instagram Caption. And as you can see, we're now on the Instagram Caption page. Here, you need to set all of these sections, starting with Key Message. Then, you can put in additional content as well. After that, you can set the length of your Instagram caption. So, let's go over to Key Message and type in a message that you want to convey in the caption. As an example, I will type in something random like learning new things. You can put in whatever you want, then just click on Next. Here on the next section, you can add additional content such as hashtags, mention, or call to actions you want to include. You can also remove it by clicking on the delete icon. Then, choose the length of your caption and click on Next. You can also add more information by clicking on this option below, such as call to action, hashtags, custom information, or knowledge. You can also create an image, but this is a pro feature. Once done, just click on Generate New. And as you can see, Jasper AI just created a caption instantly. Honestly, it's a pretty good caption. You can click on this arrow icon to make it generate even more details about the caption. And here, if you click on this plus icon, you will see options like Continue Writing or Add Image. This is where you can upload your own image or click on the section and choose an image from the options available. I will select this image as an example, and as you can see, it's now added to this page over here. You can add any image that you want using this option. So once you're done creating your Instagram caption, go ahead and check it out. And if you want, you can remix this as well. Just click on Remix on the left panel. Here, you need to give Jasper content to remix, such as text, upload file, URL, or knowledge. So if you select knowledge, you will be able to see all your knowledge base displayed here. You can also chat with Jasper by clicking on the chat option on the left panel. Then just ask Jasper anything. Now, let's cancel these and go back to the home page. Just click on Home on the left panel. Now, let's click on Create Content again. This time, let's go through the options and select Product Description over here. Just click on Use. After that, And just like before, you will need to put in all of this information. Starting with your product name, I will select pods. Then, type in the key features of your product. Here, type the main features and benefits of your product. I will type in something like listening to music, then click Next. After that, describe the structure of the product description. You can also click on Generate Response, and as you can see, Jasper AI generated the structure on its own. Then, you can add more information over here as well. You can also create an image by upgrading your plan. On the top here, you can also choose a brand voice. This is where you can click on Add Brand Voice, and after that, you will need to set up these settings like voice access and also the voice name. Then, on the Best Used For section, you can add different tags that are relevant to the brand voice. This way, go through the options and create your brand voice. For now, I will cancel it and click on Generate Now on the bottom left. And as you can see, Jasper AI has started to create the product description over here, and it works pretty much instantly. Give it some time to write the whole thing. Then, if you want, click on this plus icon and select Add Image or Continue Writing. You also have the option for text to image, but for this, you will need to get the Pro plan. So right now, we will use the Unsplash option again. You can click on the search bar over here and type in whatever that you're looking for. For this example, I will type in AirPods. After that, you will get to see all the relevant options available right here. Choose the one that you want, and it will be added onto your product description section. And as you can see, it's done instantly. This way, you can add as many images as you want. And here on the top right, you have the option that says Validate Brand Guidelines. This is where you can get a visual guideline for your brand. So click on Create Visual Guideline or select Style Guide and use this feature to get a detailed guideline. So once done, just copy the product description and use it anywhere that you want. So now, let's head over to the home page once again. So here on the left panel, under Home, you have My Content. And as you can see, the previous two contents are visible here. After that, you have Groups. This is where you can keep all of your items organized and easy to access. You will even have your Jasper social media team over here. Then right under Groups, we have Campaigns. All of your campaigns will be visible here. You can also click on Add Campaign in order to add one. Then you have Chat. After that, we have Knowledge Base. For this, we need to upgrade to Pro or Business. If you upgrade to Pro, you'll be able to have 10 knowledge assets. Then here on the Brand IQ section, you have Brand Voice, which we checked out before. After that, Visual Guidelines, which we've seen as well. You can get to these options from here as well. So let's click on Visual Guidelines. Here, you will see the option to add Visual Guideline on the bottom. After that, just fill in all of this information and click on Create. Now, let's go back to Home on the top left. On the bottom left corner, you also have all the settings related to your profile. Here, you have the option to sign out, help, trash, team info, workspace settings, etc. If you go over to workspace settings, you will get to see all the details about your workspace, starting with the About section, Plans, Team, Usage, and AI settings. If you want to cancel your account, just go to Plans and click on Cancel on the bottom right. And that is Jasper AI Beginner's Tutorial.